Alright, let's take this. We are still solving logarithmic equation reducible to quadratic equation. Now let's take this. Solve the logarithmic equation log x plus 9 base 6 is equal to 1 plus log x plus 3 base 6 minus log x plus 2 base 6. Okay, yes, now let's go. We're going to have log x plus 9 base 6. Let's take all the terms, all the log in the right hand side to the left except 1. Okay, so we're going to have minus log x plus 3 base 6 plus log x plus 2 base 6 equal to 1. Okay, now let's go. Minus will be division and then plus will be what? Multiplication. So therefore we're going to have log base 6 of open bracket x plus 9 in bracket times x plus 2 in bracket all over x plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, good. Now let's go. We're going to have log base 6 of x plus 9 in bracket x plus 2 in bracket all over x plus 3 in bracket is equal to, this one is the same as saying log 6 base 6 because we are working under base 6 in the logarithm. Okay, so when you say log 6 base 6 is equal to 1, is the same as above. Alright, now here let's do away with the log base 6. So when we do away with the log base 6, we'll be left with x plus 9 in bracket times x plus 2 in bracket all over x plus 3 in bracket is equal to 6. Okay, here let's open the bracket in the numerator. We're going to have x times x, x squared, x times 2, 2x, 9 times x, 9x, and then 9 times 2, 18. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 18 all over x plus 3 equal to 6. Okay, now let's add up. We have x squared plus 2x plus 9x will give you 11x plus 18 all over x plus 3 equal to 6. Here let's cross multiply. So we're going to have x squared plus 11x plus 18 is equal to 6 open bracket x plus 3. Okay, now here we're going to have x squared plus 11x plus 18 is equal to, let's open the bracket in the right hand side, 6 times x equal to 6x, then 6 times 3 plus 18. Okay, now let's take it to the other side. We'll have x squared plus 11x and minus 6x plus 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So 11x minus 6x will give you what? 5x, and then plus 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So therefore we'll be left with x squared plus 5x is equal to 0. Okay, here let's factor out x. So we'll have x in bracket x plus 5, okay, equal to 0. So we'll have x is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. We have x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 5. Alright, yes, thank you very much for watching. Please keep watching, keep practicing, and then subscribe if you have not. Okay, let's take another example.